Hey everyone, welcome back to M.R.A.Passive.Income.Playbook. This is your one-stop shop for all things related to passive income. Today, we've got a thrilling discussion lined up for you. We're going to explore the power combo of 4 incredible platforms: ChatGPT, InVideo, TikTok, and YouTube, and how they can be used to maximize your passive income this year, 2024. I'm your host Mario, and I'm eager to share some fantastic strategies that could potentially boost your income. But before we dive in, do me a favor. If you enjoy our content and want to stay updated, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Now, without further ado, let's kick things off with ChatGPT, the powerful language model that's changing the game. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or just someone looking to enhance your online presence, ChatGPT can be your secret weapon. This powerful language model, developed by OpenAI, is revolutionizing the way we create content. It's like having your very own digital wordsmith, crafting engaging scripts, blog posts, social media updates, and more, all at your command. But what makes ChatGPT so valuable for generating passive income? Well, it's all about the quality and consistency of the content it produces. In the digital age, content is king, and ChatGPT is your key to the kingdom. By creating high-quality content regularly, you can attract and retain a dedicated audience. This audience engagement is crucial for monetization, whether through ad revenue, affiliate marketing, or selling your products or services. Moreover, ChatGPT is incredibly versatile. It can write in various styles and tones, making it suitable for a wide range of industries and niches. Whether you're in tech, fashion, finance, or any other field, ChatGPT can help you create the engaging content you need to stand out. Now, you might be wondering, how do I use ChatGPT? Well, it's quite simple. You just feed it a prompt or a starting point, and it generates the rest of the text for you. It's like having a conversation with a very knowledgeable partner who knows just what to say to captivate your audience. And the best part? It's available 24/7, meaning you can create content whenever inspiration strikes. But remember, while ChatGPT can handle the heavy lifting of content creation, it's still important to add your personal touch. Review and edit the content to ensure it aligns with your brand and message. After all, your unique perspective is what makes your content truly stand out. Now, speaking of secret weapons, let's talk about InVideo, the ultimate video creation platform. Pairing ChatGPT and InVideo can supercharge your content creation process, allowing you to create engaging videos with compelling scripts at record speed. But more on that in the next scene. For now, let's revel in the power of ChatGPT, the game changer in the realm of content creation and a potent tool in your passive income arsenal. Imagine pairing ChatGPT with InVideo to generate engaging scripts and seamlessly turning them into captivating videos. It sounds like a dream, doesn't it? But with InVideo, it's a reality that's within your grasp. This powerful, intuitive platform is designed to make video creation as simple, quick, and efficient as possible. So how does it work? Well, once you've got your script ready from ChatGPT, you can head over to InVideo. The platform is user-friendly, making it a breeze to navigate, even for beginners. You'll find an extensive library of pre-made templates that cater to a wide array of genres and styles. Choose one that suits your content, and you're halfway there. But the magic doesn't stop at templates. InVideo offers a range of editing tools that let you customize your video to the finest detail. You can add text, music, images, and even animations. It's all about giving your content that personal touch that resonates with your audience. And the best part? You don't need any video editing experience to get started. InVideo makes it possible for anyone to create stunning videos, regardless of their skill level. It's all about empowering you to become the content creator you've always wanted to be. But of course, creating the video is only half the battle. Once you've got your masterpiece ready, it's time to share it with the world. And here's where InVideo really shines. With just a few clicks, you can export your video in various formats, ready to be uploaded on any platform. So whether you're looking to create educational content, promotional videos, or even just fun clips to share with your friends, InVideo has got you covered. It's a one-stop shop for all your video creation needs. But wait, we're not stopping there. Let's delve into the world of TikTok. As we move forward, we'll explore how this short-form video platform can be leveraged to boost your reach and engagement. So stay tuned, because we've got plenty more exciting strategies to share with you. Leveraging TikTok can skyrocket your reach and engagement. TikTok, as we know, is the reigning champion of short-form video content. It's a platform where creativity thrives and where viral content is born almost every second. Now imagine the power of combining this platform with the content you've created using in-video and scripts generated by ChatGPT. Let's break this down. You've used ChatGPT to create engaging, witty scripts. You've then transformed these scripts into captivating videos within video. The next logical step: share snippets of these videos on TikTok. You see, TikTok thrives on bite-sized, engaging content. By sharing snippets of your videos, you're not only driving engagement on TikTok itself, but you're also directing traffic back to your original content on YouTube. This is a strategy that works wonders in expanding your audience reach. Think of it as a teaser trailer for your full-length video. If your TikTok snippet can spark curiosity, it's going to lead viewers to seek out your full video on YouTube. And the more viewers you have, the more potential for engagement and monetization. But remember, TikTok is a platform that rewards creativity and authenticity. So while it's essential to maintain the essence of your original content, it's equally critical to adapt it to TikTok's unique style. Experiment with TikTok's features, like its music library, filters, and effects, to make your content stand out. And don't forget to use relevant hashtags. Hashtags are a powerful tool on TikTok to increase visibility and discoverability. They help categorize your content, making it easier for your target audience to find you. So research popular and trending hashtags in your niche and include them in your posts. Now let's shift gears to the platform we all know and love, YouTube, the final destination where all your content creation efforts come to fruition. But that's a story for another scene. Stay tuned. As you know, creating content takes time and effort, but the rewards can be massive. And where better to reap these rewards than on YouTube, the platform that has been a game changer for content creators worldwide. YouTube is more than just a space to share your content. It's a place where creators can turn their passion into passive income. Monetizing your YouTube channel is like hitting a gold mine. It's the beautiful moment when the effort you've put into creating and sharing content starts to pay off, literally. But how does it work? Well, once you meet the eligibility requirements, you can start earning from ads, channel memberships, and even merchandise shelf. This year, in 2024, the opportunities for monetization on YouTube are more abundant than ever before. With new features like Super Thanks and ad revenue from shorts, creators can diversify their income streams and maximize their earnings. But here's the real kicker. We're thrilled to announce that our channel, The Quintuplets, has officially been monetized. That's right, folks. Thanks to your unwavering support, we've crossed the threshold and unlocked the potential to generate passive income from our content. This achievement is a testament to the power of the strategies we've been sharing with you. It's proof that with the right tools and techniques, anyone can build a successful YouTube channel and turn it into a source of passive income. We want to take a moment to express our sincere gratitude for your support. Every like, comment, share, and subscription has contributed to this milestone. Your engagement has helped us grow and reach more people, and for that, we are incredibly grateful. So what does this mean for you? Well, it means that we'll be able to invest more into the channel, bringing you better content, more valuable insights, and even more strategies for maximizing your passive income. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you to like, subscribe, and share this video. Your support continues to drive us forward, and we can't wait to see where this journey takes us next. Remember, the sky's the limit when it comes to passive income, and with the right strategies, you too can unlock the potential of YouTube monetization. Your support means the world to us, and it keeps this channel going. As we've navigated the powerful potential of ChatGPT, InVideo, TikTok, and YouTube, we've underscored the importance of these tools in building a successful passive income strategy. Remember to make the most of these platforms and keep exploring new ways to expand your digital footprint. But let's not forget, while these strategies can indeed be powerful, results may vary. Success depends on a variety of factors, including your individual commitment, creativity, and perseverance. It's vital to always do your research, stay informed, and consult professionals when needed. Now, before we sign off, we encourage you to like, subscribe, and share our content. It's your engagement that fuels our mission to bring you the best strategies for maximizing passive income. Thank you all for showing up and supporting the quintuplets. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and until next time, happy creating and maximizing that passive income.